thinks my tractor's whiskey. Alright, episode 1. Drunk lawnmower driving. We're going down to the river. Woo! That can't be good for it. Whoa! Let's go back. Oh my God, it's up. I need to check on that. That has got to be a problem. Always make sure you have your tractor whiskey. There's my truck cap. All right, well, I know a lot of you are jealous, but when you got a high-performing machine like this, just holy God. This is the Craftsman GT5000. It came with the house. Oh shit. Dropped my fork. Alright, let's talk about how to drive the Craftsman GT5000. She's a sultry beast. But this tractor will listen to what you have to say. It's true that nothing can actually stop these tires. If you've been told that, you were not lied to. Nothing can stop these tires. With a forward ground speed of approximately, I don't know, 6 miles per hour. We don't use the metric system here. I am so drunk. The majestic, yet slightly leaky, raw power of the Kohler V Twin. 27 horses. Basically Clydesdales, driving this tractor around the woods. Oh my God, there's a stump, but we're not driving on that. Here comes the water feature. Oh, it doesn't even get stuck. Oh. Feature time! What? Look at it just reverse this. It doesn't even care. There's probably been Volkswagen Beetles built with less power than this thing. And it just drives through whatever you want. It burns a little oil. It burns a lot of oil. But it doesn't matter. It drives like a decent Lemon's car. As long as you take the tires down to approximately 2 psi, you will not get violently assaulted while driving it. Oh my God! Well, it didn't roll over, that's good. Because it's been thinking about it. Look at this! My one gauge says 0 amps. It doesn't even matter. What do you even care about, gauge? What's your point? Woo! Tractor! Oh my god! Ow! Oh god! I just drove into the woods. Some trees attacked me. Side note, I don't wear Nautica every day. It's just like a thing. It doesn't matter. But I gotta go back to the house. And the truthful reason is I'm out of whiskey. I drank a lot of whiskey today. I'm gonna drink a lot more whiskey, but I'm out of whiskey. And that's the point.